So today I'm going to talk about what's so special inside Fimi Palm. Osmo Pocket is no longer alone. He get a new competitor, the Fimi Palm and VMAT. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth without any extension or adapter. We can use adapter or base plate to connect with the external mic. It will come later. First, the gimbal mode. Follow, FPV, pitch lock, gimbal lock. This one you can choose for ultra wide, narrow, and super scope. Choose the LDC to standard or fisheye. This is LDC mode, like the fisheye mode, I think. You have the zoom function up to 3 times. The video you can use for slow-mo. Time-lapse function and panorama. So this is the standard photo. You have the natural, noir, and sepia. So here is your main apps for the gimbal. You have the selection to change the picture quality, color, video output, video codec, 4K, the gimbal lock, follow speed, pro mode versus non-pro mode. This is the LCD, fisheye look, and the straight mode look, timer, time-lapse photo, and you can use the HDR style. You can check your gallery inside this. It is just a simple apps you can use. If you want to get a cheaper bargain for your camera, then you can look at this Fimi Palm instead of the other camera, because it has a gimbal, but it is very fragile if you look at it, because it's very tiny and small. But for daily vlogging and also for traveling, this is the best for you. But for extreme use, DJI Osmo Action or the GoPro.